Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to buy face token and Trust Wallet. So let's get started. At first let's get into Trust Wallet app. So here it is. Now make sure you are already logged in to Trust Wallet. Now in bottom right corner we can see this browser icon, so let's tap on this and search for Uniswap interface. Now we can see select token option over here. Simply tap on this and search for fees. So here it is. Now we need to enter the amount. Here, since I do not have enough balance, it is says insufficient ETS balance, and if you do have the balance, you can simply see a swap option over here and tap on that to continue the transaction. So this is all. So this is how we can buy face token and Trust Wallet. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.